Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a valid Windows 10 license, stable internet, and a blank 8 GB or larger USB drive. Once ready, run the media creation tool as administrator so it can write system files without permission errors. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC to control USB or ISO output. This step sets architecture, edition, and language, important because mismatched choices can cause activation or driver problems. Make sure to cancel other downloads. Once done selecting Create Installation Media, you choose Language, Edition, and Architecture. Pick both architectures only if you need flexibility because it increases download size. Next, select USB flash drive to let the tool automatically format and copy files, or choose ISO to burn later. ISO is safer for multi-use scenarios. The tool downloads and then verifies the files. Let it finish fully. If progress pauses, make sure other apps aren't blocking disk or network access, and keep the PC awake. To finish, safely eject the USB when the tool shows completed, then test by booting the target PC from USB to confirm the installer launches. If you created an ISO, burn it with Windows Explorer or a tool like Rufus to make a bootable drive. If creation fails, check for common issues. Free at least 10 GB, disable antivirus temporarily, run the tool as admin again, and ensure stable internet. If you see error codes, note them for targeted fixes and retry after addressing space or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.